In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your first $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing promoting clickbank products with the right pre-sale page or landing page. Now, please stay until the end of this video. Why? Because what we are going to cover is example, keto pre-sale angles, pre-sale page secrets. I mean, why most of the affiliates screw this part up is because of this. They don't understand that affiliate marketing is not about selling. It's not about promoting, right? It's about pre-selling. That's why it's called landing page, or how we call it, pre-sale page. Why? Because you want to pre-sell 5 things, 5 points that most of gurus on ClickBank are not sharing with you in any of their courses, right? You can buy a very expensive course and you can see there is no one, literally no one, sharing this 5 piece of pre-selling. So I'm going to reveal this to you, and also what to pre-sell on the page and how to get started with affiliate marketing and getting results now. So let's go straight into it. Now, the first thing I want to tell you is this. Not using a pre-sale page is like hating money. Do you hate money? I guess not, right? So that's why you're watching this video, because you don't hate money. So why are not in the heck using pre-sale pages? Most of affiliates are just too lazy to understand that what it comes down to when you're trying to pre-sell on the pre-sale page, right? It's easy once you understand this. Why? Because you are not selling anything, right? My friend, if you're watching this video, you're not selling anything. That's the job of the ClickBank vendor, of the product owner, or the sales page. Sales page will sell, right? What is your job watching this video is, your job is to put the content in the right order on the landing page, right? So you can pre-sell all the 5 points, I call it 5 P's, correctly. So, what is the biggest problem? The biggest problem is this. Most media buyers, who are media buyers? Media buyers are just people buying ads. Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, right? Those are media buyers. So that's you or me, right? We are buying ads. So what happens before the click, right? Most people only focus what happens before the click, right? Pre-click experience, that's ad. When a person see the text ad on Google, that's called pre-click experience, right? They think that they have to write the world's best ads, right? They have to be the best copywriters, and that's a big lie, right? You don't have to be a best copywriter, right? That's why you're struggling to get sales on ClickBank, because you don't understand the right framework, right? The right framework is this, right? Look at my page, right? What is the solution? Place a pre-sale page between your ad and your sales page, right? This will reduce friction, basically friction between your ad. It's like a loop, right? It's like putting the loop on to get easily sales sliding in on ClickBank, right? So this will reduce the friction between your ad and sales page, and it will help you make more money from both paid and free traffic, right? That's what you want. You want sales, you want conversions. So stay until the end of this video, because I'm going to reveal to you what is the bonus, how this works, right? You have to understand that you need to have a pre-sale page, and you need to have the right content in the right order on the pre-sale page to sell, right? For the owner to sell to the audience. Now this is an example of one of ours, let's call it pre-sale pages. And there is no text. I don't want you to copy and paste. I just want to give you a simple example, right? You see over here, right? We are segmenting by quiz people, right? So we are segmenting them. We are giving them the experience, right? So when they want to buy skincare product, especially this product is for females in this case, right? We are going to segment females, women, in the section by age. Under 35 years old, or over 75 years old, or between 45 to 75 years old, right? So depend on what they click, they will get specific answer, and from there they can go and buy the skincare cream, right? So that's how it works. But there is another additional text, right? There are additional images, and I'm going to show you. I'm always telling this to my students and clients. You need to have someone to guide you through step by step along the way, so that you can have results, so that you can get those ClickBank conversions with affiliate marketing, right? This is one of the examples on the pre-sale page, right? We are pre-selling over here. Now, as I said before, right? if you use pre-sale or landing page correctly, it will do all the heavy lifting for you, right? Because audience, right? You need eyeballs on your ads. You need eyeballs. Go from the ad, let's say Facebook ad in this case, or Google ad in this case, to the pre-sale page, to your landing page, right? And if you put it correctly, the content, and qualified everything correctly, it will do most of the 80% of the heavy lifting for you. So once they click on the clickbank page by the vendor, they already converted, they already done, they are sold. So it will also decrease the amount of non-qualified traffic going to your sales page. Basically, it weeds out non-buyers, right? Like a garden, just weeds out all the weed, so you have all the flowers that are prospecting over there. So that's how it works. That's the whole concept of affiliate marketing, right? Using paid traffic. Basically, pre-sale page. You need to pre-sale 5 points. One of those 5 points I'm going to tell you is plan. What is the plan? Right? It's also a product, and also it's the pain. Right? Those are 3 things. There are 2 more very important things. So if you pre-sell those points correctly on your pre-sale page, of course, an ad, you're definitely going to get sales. You're going to get 90% conversions. I can promise you that. If you do it correctly, right? So, example of keto pre-sale angles. You're using different angles in diet pills, for example. Have more energy, have better mental clarity, right? And families, people who don't want to cook crazy foods for your family, right? So, I'm lazy, I don't want to cook crazy foods, right? But I still want to have keto diet. So that's one of the angles, for example, right? If you are about to promote keto products on ClickBank. Now, what to do next? So if you're watching this video, I hope you got some sense out of it, right? How you should construct your mindset in regards to ClickBank, to landing pages, to promoting pre-sale pages, right? So if you're watching this video and if you want to have someone to guide you through along the way step by step, right? And if you have some money to invest in a little bit of time on the side, then do let me know. After subscribing to my channel, please connect with me. The links are below this video, right? In the description below. You can connect with me on social media. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, or even WhatsApp, right? You can also send me the email. So if you want to, over here, you can see, you can connect with me over here on my Instagram page, and you will see, you can just personally reach out to me and ask me any questions you want in regards to working with me or having results with affiliate marketing. So if you want to connect with me one-on-one, links are below this video. Smash the like button, please, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.